How to fix no sound problem on Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. If your Windows PC has no sound, the issue is usually caused by muted settings, incorrect output devices, outdated drivers, or disabled audio services. Start with quick checks before moving into advanced fixes. First, make sure that your volume is turned on and it's not muted. Make sure that you tap on the one with battery and the volume icon and make sure that the slider is to the highest. Make sure that the sound is not muted. Like you can see the speaker with the X sign. Make sure it's not that. Just tap on it to remove the X sign and check if your uh, Bluetooth is connected. If it is connected, just turn off the Bluetooth because sometimes the sound may be uh, going to the headphones or external audio devices where Bluetooth is connected. Next, you need to go to your settings and then go to system on the left hand side, head over to sound and make sure it is connected to the right speaker and make sure mono audio is toggled off. You can see advanced option where you can even troubleshoot your common sound problems. You can go to volume mixer and then check sure the sound for all apps is on to the highest. So I hope one of the solution helps you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.